Okay, up next, we have the unit test for arithmetic patterns and problem solving. Now, if this is your first time to my stream, the way I do unit tests is a little bit different from any of my other lessons. I'm not going to be doing a lot of explaining. I am going to present the problem. I will pause for a few seconds. I will give my answer. I will be right or wrong, and we will move on to the next problem. If you are watching at home, if you're watching at home, like there's a live studio audience here. If you are watching on YouTube, which you can find at professor-cunningham.com, plug number 2, absolutely fantastic, then you will want to pause the video after each question so that you can come up with your own answer. Let's get this going. On Monday, I bought 23 strawberries. On Tuesday, I ate 8 of the strawberries. Now I want to divide the remaining strawberries into bags of 5 strawberries each. Which equation could I use to find out how many bags of strawberries I will have? Bags is represented by a blue B. I got C. Fill in the blank with the correct answer choice. When we multiply by 7, we always, sometimes, never get the sum of what we get by multiplying by 2 and by 5. I'm going to say always. That is distribution. If I multiply by 2 and then I multiply by 5 and then I combine them, I almost got that one wrong, friends. The table below shows the cups of sugar used while baking a large batch of cookies. Which rule describes the pattern shown? That looks like add 7 to me. I had 42 ounces of rice. On Monday, I bought 58 more ounces of rice. Then I divided all the rice into 10 equal-sized portions. How many ounces of rice were in each portion? I got 10 ounces. What is the first step to evaluate 28 minus 64 divided by 8? Well, remember order of operations, the division and multiplication step, which is one step, happens before the addition and subtraction step. The 100 chart has the multiples of 6 shaded. When we multiply by 6, we always, sometimes, never get an even number. That's always. In fact, if you multiply by any even number, you'll always get an even number. I hope I didn't give away the answer to a future question. Bo had a container of flour that weighed 32 ounces. On Monday, he added 47 ounces of flour. During the week, he made cookies and waffles with some of the flour. At the end of the week, the container weighed 61 ounces. This is definitely a time, if you're watching on YouTube, that I strongly recommend pausing, because this one might take a little bit of parsing. I'm going to read that again. Bo had a container of flour that weighed 32 ounces. On Monday, he added 47 ounces. During the week, he made cookies and waffles. At the end, he had 61. How many ounces of flour did he use? Well, I'm going to say 20 ounces, and I didn't actually do a lot of math. I just estimated. 30 and 50 is 80, minus 60 is 20. And that's close enough. It's definitely closer than 1 or 80. Remember, estimation can be your friend. Sarah adds 2 numbers and gets an odd sum. What could be true about the numbers Sarah added? Well, one has to be even and one has to be odd, and that is it. During the first 4 days of the week, Luca built 2 robots each day. On Friday, he built 3 robots. Which equation could we use to find the number of robots R that Luca made during the week. Well, that would be B, 4 times 2, and then plus 3. And that's the unit test. Let's move on.